So guys, welcome to another video which is directly related to relays. But today we are going to see what's there inside the relays. So now, without just wasting our time, let us start by taking some markings so that we don't harm the base of the relay. Now in this case, I am going to leave a space of around 2 mm and then I am going to cut it to ensure that we are not causing any harm to the base of the relay. And now our marking is done. Now let us cut it. Now we can see that the relay is almost open. So now let us see what is there inside it. Now here we can see that there is a copper coil inside of it with a box which used to protect the copper coil inside. So now let us make a very simple circuit to see how the interior of the relay works. So now according to the given schematic, we are going to make the circuit. And then some battery connections. And here it is, we are done. So now let us check it out, how the whole thing works. So now as you can see in this circuit, the LED is glowing whenever we are pressing the push button, it remains turned on, and whenever we are not, it remains turned off. Now let us have a closer look of the relay. Now in the zoom part of the video, hope you can see that a soft kind of thing is moving up and down whenever we are pressing the switch or releasing it. So now let us understand how does the relay works. Now within a relay, we used to have an electromagnet which is used to pull the shaft. Now when we don't give power to the electromagnet, the shaft keeps connected to the NC, and when we provide electricity to the electromagnet, it attracts the shaft and then the NO is connected, which looks pretty identical to an electric bell. So guys, we are ending right up here. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Meet you in the next video.